this video, I'll show you how to log in to Axiom Pro. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So the first thing that you need in order to log into your Axiom Pro account is an Axiom Pro account. If you don't already have one, I'll drop a link down below in the description. And when you go to that link, you're going to come to a page that looks like this. You're going to head right over here, click on Start Trading, and sign up with either an email, Gmail, or by connecting your Phantom wallet. Make sure Keys shows up right over here under invite code. That'll guarantee that you get the 10% discount on your trading fees for life. If you already have an account, you're going to head over to axiom.trade, hit enter. That'll bring you to this page. You're going to head right over here to the top right hand corner and click on the login button. And right here, you're going to enter in your email and your password and hit login. You'll have a confirmation code sent to your email that you've signed up with. Just put in the code. It'll verify you and log you into your account. When signing in with your Gmail, you just click on continue with Gmail and enter in the email that you used to sign up. Hit next, enter in your password, and I'm going to get a verification code sent to my phone number. Enter it in, hit enter, and that's how to log in with your Gmail. And if you logged in by connecting your Phantom wallet, just hit connect with Phantom wallet. And right here, it's going to ask you to enter in your password. Put in your password, and that's how to log in with your Phantom wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.